What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your first time. I'm Chris. I am the Peaky Rambler. All right, it is official. I have now been a YouTuber for exactly 1 week. This is my second video. I'm really excited to share it with you. But I survived it. I did it. This has been a long time dream of mine, and I put it off and I put it off, and I don't know why. Because we're here, we're doing this, I'm having fun, and you guys have made it amazing as well. In only 1 week, I've already got some subscribers. Those of you who have stopped by and liked the first video, left comments, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You know, I think it's safe to say that anyone who decides to make a YouTube channel, at some point they probably sit there and do the same thing I did. You wonder, man, am I gonna get any views at all? Am I gonna get 1 subscriber? You know, am I gonna talk about anything that anyone wants to hear? And you know what? Forget about all that, okay? If you have a dream and your passion is to make content and be a YouTuber, be a vlogger, whatever your niche is, right? If that's you, just do it. Go for it. If that's your dream, make it a reality, because the only thing stopping you is you. And I can say that because I did the same thing. But here we are, and I'm glad I did it. But seriously, to all of you who made the decision to subscribe, and thank you so much. And the channel is only going to grow from here. I'm brand new. I'm learning as I go. Luckily, I have some amazing influences on here that I really look up to. A couple of you I want to give a special shout out to right now. So Reviews with Moose. Man, that is an amazing channel over there. He does some really awesome product reviews. He's part of the Gentleman's Roundtable. Man, search that. Search the Gentleman's Roundtable. Search Reviews with Moose. Another one, Antox. A-N-T-O-X. Bro, thank you so much for the conversation online. Thank you for the pointers and the love that you've shown the channel as well. Appreciate both of you guys stopping by and leaving a comment. And I'm very grateful. You know, I look up to you guys. You guys have been doing this for way longer than me. And I've watched your videos for a while now. And, you know, it's because of guys like you that I'm sitting here right now making this video. So, hope I do this justice. And I look forward to any heads up that you guys continue to give me. But thank you so much for just being that inspiration. A couple of other channels that are also part of the Gentleman's Roundtable. The First 508th Airborne, another amazing channel. He has some awesome product reviews with flat caps. And Dub's Hat Hub. Give those guys some love as well. All right, I recommend anyone to those channels. But without further ado, here we go. Let's get into it. Peaky Hat. All right. Now listen, there are several amazing companies out here who make these particular caps, right? And this is not in no way am I dismissing any other company at all. This is not a paid sponsorship or a promotion, whatever you want to call it. No one asked me to do this review. I'm doing it because I want to and because I really believe in this product, and I've personally been very happy with these caps in particular. So right off the bat, when you open these things up, there's a couple of things that you'll find. You're going to find a Steam tutorial. If you guys can see that, feel free to pause the video if you need to and read that. Some of these hats require steaming, and it just gives them that fluff or that plump, especially the traditional newsboys. But this is a little tutorial there. On the back side, it talks about the perfect fit ribbon, right? So you can kind of see it there, and once I hold up the cap, you'll be able to see it. But the perfect fit ribbon says have a cap and wondering what that ribbon is all about. These ribbons are pretty simple, really. If you are in between sizes and or have any need to snug the cap down, you can pull them in and tie them off to tighten the cap. And it just goes on to say, if you ride a motorcycle, have a car with the top down, want to size up for an oversized look, get that big haircut, etc. Or it even says here that you can that many customers have cut them out because they don't need them. You know, if the fit of the cap is perfect without using the ribbon, you may find that cutting that out suits you better. Completely up to you, and it will not harm the cap. So there you go. If you don't want the perfect fit rhythm, or I keep saying rhythm, I don't know why I'm saying that. I'm a musician. I got rhythm in my soul. I don't know. But ribbon, the perfect fit ribbon. If you have no need for that, Ryan says that you can cut it out and it won't harm the cap at all. So cool. But they include some little things like that in there. And one thing that I really appreciate is this right here. And this was in my first one as well. And my understanding is you probably get this in every package that comes from Peaky Hat. And it's little things like this, okay? Little things like this that make all the difference, all right? Against big corporations. And I'm not saying that corporations don't have good customer service or do little things. I'm sure they do. But this really stood out to me, and this is something that Ryan, you know, when I was doing my research into these particular kinds of hats, you know, I watched reviews with Moose, I watched Antox, I watched a Gentleman's Roundtable, and I you know, when I was looking to buy things, I'll go on YouTube and I'll search videos for these particular products, and I'll see what it's all about. You know, I'll see what guys have to say, and I'll take that into consideration. And then at the end of the day, if I decide to order something, then I order it. So one thing that you'll notice on this channel, I'm going to be completely unbiased. I'm going to be honest. And if there's a product that, you know, I'm just not happy about, I'll tell you why I'm not happy about it. If it's something I love, I'll tell you why I love it, okay? And you know, with Peaky Hat, I have been extremely happy with their products thus far. But, you know, let's say I pull this particular cap out. You know, this is my first time. I just opened it in front of you. But if there's something about this cap that, you know, doesn't suit me, I'll tell you. That's okay. And I believe that Ryan would respect an honest review like that. But I don't see it being an issue because this company has a hell of a product, all right? But back to that, just the customer service, and it's the little things, right? Right here is something that I noticed in my first package that I received. And it's this right here. This might not seem like much, okay? But it's little things like this. Again, if you want to pause the video and read that, feel free. Here's another thing that you get in these. My last one was a little different, so this is cool. I don't have this one yet, but they put these stickers in there, like decals or stickers. Peaky Hat. The last one was dark and almost looked like it was a sticker, but it almost looked like a denim or something, right? And it was really cool. It was more of a circle or like oval with the Peaky guy. But this is cool. Looking forward to getting a collection of those as well. I love stickers and swag like that. Little things like this are so cool. But, all right, here we go. Move some of this packaging out of the way, and oh man, here we have, man, yeah, that's cool. That's as cool as I expected it to be. Yeah, it's nice. Got some little packing fuzzies out of there. So all right, there you go. This is from Peaky Hat. Hopefully you can see this okay. And this particular one is called the OG Solo. OG Solo. So Peaky Hat had another hat. It's called the Tommy OG, or Tommy's OG rather. And they basically took everything from Tommy's OG and packed it into a single panel flat cap, which is what this is. So right here are those perfect fit ribbons they were talking about on the little card there. If you need to, you can take those and tighten it down, get a better fit. Inside here, wow, okay, so inside, some of the caps have like a satin liner. This here, I don't know if you can tell from here or not, but it's like a mesh, right? So it's like a mesh liner, and it's meant to be, you know, to help it be like a four-season cap. Be good for hot weather. You know, where I live, it gets very humid and warm, and this would be good for that. I think it's going to be really comfortable. Peaky Hat says that this is made out of a wool cotton blend, but man, this material is so soft, like extremely soft and lightweight. Like, this feels really good. Some of their caps are like a tweed and a rough. I don't want to say rough, not rough in a bad way, but like a very durable material. And not that this isn't. This is I guarantee this is amazing. It's just more lightweight, so it's not as hot. It's not like it's not gonna cook your noggin there. Another thing. So, all right. If you are a fan of Peaky Blinders, right, show, then you know all about the razor blade thing, right? So what they have actually done is this is inspired by Tommy Shelby and from Peaky Blinder. And what they've done here, if you can see, let's get some shine on there from the light if we can. So this is not a real razor blade, okay? This is a mirrored finish faux razor, but it's not even sharp, okay? Nothing you're gonna get in trouble with or hurt yourself on or anything like that. But they have sewn a faux razor onto the brim there, and that is really cool. Nice little nod to the Peaky Blinders, right? But I'm excited to try this on. Yeah, man, this feels so good. Like, this is awesome. And you guys who have made these video reviews before this, I see what you're talking about, because this is a cool hat. So let's check this out. Oh man, yeah. Yep. It feels good. Feels really good. It's almost like you're not even wearing anything. And this could go. You could rock this with, like, man, you could rock this with anything. You really could. You could rock that, man. I love the little razor there. That's neat. It's a good, cool touch. But man, you know, you could rock this with a t-shirt. You could rock this with a nice dress shirt, a polo, maybe a vest, right? Like, I've seen guys online wearing these everywhere. Casually, to church, out to dinner, at work. But Ryan, and not just Ryan, I'm gonna say this, Ryan and the entire team over at Peaky Hat, 2 thumbs up. If I had another one, I'd give you another one. All right, you have done it again, my friend. I'm extremely happy with the feel of this hat. I'm extremely happy with the look of it. This is awesome. Man, you have a really cool thing going over there. You really do. So, guys, I'm gonna get ready to end it here. I just noticed this has been going for a little over 20 minutes. But yeah, I hope that you got something out of this review. I think we got a couple of things. You see why I'm called the Peaky Rambler, right here, because you're gonna start seeing these. This is gonna be my thing, right? Like, I'm gonna be wearing Peaky hats. I'm gonna ramble to some cool places on the travel side of things, and you can almost, I'll guarantee you that I'm probably gonna ramble on and on and on, and probably talk your ear off. But for those of you who stick around and make it to the end of the videos or this part of the video, man, I'm grateful for you. Seriously. All joking aside, right? Thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for watching these videos, for the views. If you take the time to comment and like them, I truly appreciate that. And I have made it my point in the last week to literally respond to each and every one of you, because here's my thing. If you take the time out of your day to stop by and watch my videos and give me a comment at the end of it, then you 100% deserve the same in return. So I will make it a point to like and respond to each of you. I know as the channel grows, and hopefully as comments grow, etc., that can get difficult, but I will still make it a point to reply and definitely read anything you guys put, because again, this is all about you guys, right? I'm here for you. If it wasn't for my viewers, my subscribers, I would just be a weirdo sitting in a room talking to himself, which I'm kind of doing right now, because I am by myself. I'm talking to myself, but hopefully so that you have something to watch, right? So, all right, guys, again, amazing product from Peaky Hat. That might be the thumbnail right there. I don't know. I'm nerdy. You'll figure that out if you haven't already. With that being said, remember, no matter where life takes you, it can take you in all sort of directions, right? But no matter where life takes you, keep your head up, pull your brim down low, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you guys.